Welcome back to another video. Just got done with a skate sesh, so I figured might as well throw this on. Throwing on the front lip that we got from Ikon Motorsports. So let's see what's inside. Came with some screws, so we're going to secure this in. See where we're going to do that at. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like, just unpainted black. It's going to match my diffuser, so I might decide to paint these down the line, but we'll see. They'll probably look pretty good as is. Go ahead and spray the bottom down with a bunch of this Car Pro eraser, basically an alcohol solution and a microfiber. And there are bugs everywhere. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking off all the 8mm that are under here. So as you can see, people who've had this car before me scraped up the front a little bit on this side. But yeah, so there's 8mm, there's about 4 of them. We're going to take them out, and then also there's these little prongs that are a pain to get out, so try to take those out as well and then do a test fit. Alright, so I managed to get this one kind of loose, so you just want to pull it down. And it pops out like that. So what I'm doing now is just kind of throwing it up on the bumper and then trying to get a little feel for where the screw is, and then make a hole in the lip. So I'm going to do that all around the front and just make holes for the screws as I go. Alright, so I got this right side in secured, and now I'm going to go ahead and just mount it, the middle part, with some 3M tape so it can stick on there and I can put in the rest of the screws. It's definitely easiest if you just use the self-tapping screws and just make your own holes in the bumper if you don't care about that. So I just went ahead and did that, and it made it a lot easier. Oh yeah, looks way better than before. There's some side angle fitment. Lines up perfectly. Alrighty, so I managed to get the front lip secured on last night, and I'm just gonna put in some more self-tapping screws, screwing it right into the bumper. Don't really care to make new holes in the bottom since I'm just gonna have a lip on it anyways, so and a new owner wouldn't be able to see it if I were to sold it down the road, but I don't have any plans to do that anytime soon, so for now this will work. These are the self-tapping screws that I'm using. Probably just smaller ones. I don't think I'll need the longer tips. It's a little loose right here, so I'm going to suck that up with some screws. Alright, that's way better. I got my extra screws in. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some electrical tape over the screws. Just like that. And like these ones back here. Just in case, just for a little more security. If they want to fall out, hopefully the tape will catch it and I won't run it over. I'm actually second guessing myself on the electrical tape, so deciding to use some metal tape instead, and that will definitely stick a lot better than this electrical tape. The electrical tape will probably be gone after a week or so. That wraps up this video. We got the front lip on. That's gonna look so much better in pictures. Couple things you definitely want to make sure you have some extra self-tapping screws laying around. That is, if you plan to use something like this. I got this one from Ikon Motorsports. I kind of did it like the easy and lazy way. I didn't want to just line everything up and pre-drill the holes in the lip, so I just kind of did it my own way and it worked out. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next one.